Hey guys, how to remove a forgotten device from Instagram. So go ahead and open up your Instagram app. And then what you're gonna do, just go and click your profile icon at the bottom right. Then hit the three bars at the top right. Go directly to your account center or meta. And next to the account settings, you're gonna see password and security. Press it. And under security checks, you're gonna see where you logged in. Just go ahead and click on it. And you can see all the devices that have logged in using your credentials. So I'm gonna select my Facebook account right here. And as you can see, the name of the device, the location, and sometimes the timing. So you can select the device to log out or to forget it in some cases. And I'm gonna select maybe the iPhone XR right here and then hit log out and confirm that you want to log out of this device. So let's run out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.